Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-MAX8700 sound system stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this unit is not connecting to something, or if it's not responding, like the buttons are not working or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this factory reset is just if you want to, for whatever reason, clear everything out and get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box. This will do it for you. So to do this factory reset, all we need to do is start by unplugging it and then just leaving it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, we're just going to find the power button and just compress and hold the power button. And while pressing and holding the power button, we can go ahead and plug the unit back in. Just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, plug it back in, and keep an eye on the display. And when on the display, it just shows up with a bunch of dashes across the display. Then that means the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the button and set this up like a brand new device.